Okay peeps, just a quick one on Eurodep. At the moment we're up in Steinfort, Luxembourg. We're on T Gamma, and basically I've just shown you that spike which takes you up to nearly 400 nano or 0.4 microsieverts. Lasted about an hour or so. But that's that one. I just thought I'd show it. In Hungary we have, well, that is actually 1600. I'll just zoom in a little bit there so you can see. 1600 nanosieverts, and that's they actually stopped that for about 12 hours, but now it's come back with a lower value, and it went up a little bit. You can look at it yourself, but it may have gone higher than that. Basically, we don't know for sure. And that's Gyöngyös, Hungary, if I've pronounced that correctly. In Hungary still, Retszag, Hungary, and steady 100, and then it goes straight up to 360, although there's not a lot of data points there. See the lack of data points as you go along, but that's that one. So we've got that and that. This is just a more blown up version, because it looks a bit better, off Gyöngyös. I just popped over to Luxembourg just to show you some 200 nanosieverts bubbling around there with switch offs. Make of that what you will. You can see some gaps and what have you. That was the Retszag Hungary one again, going up to just over 360. Got Budapest, which just switched off, I think, by the look of things. January 22nd seems very low. And popping over to Romania quickly at T beta. Got sunny Romania, and very little in the way of data, but I'll just take you there. Sort of saying 4.37, 6.13 bequerels, but very little in the way of dates and data points. And just to show you, put on the T beta. Once again, T beta. Zakopane, Poland. See a slight rise there towards the end, but it's bubbling around, and it got above 1 point on the 1st of January when we had all that big peak around there. Lots of missing data. Bubble, Romania, they've been off for a while, and they're just coming back in, coming down from above 0.6 becquerel. Was it above the warning? You tell me. Did Romania again, constant. We've got 2.7 becquerel there. You move across there, you see it's just coming down from 2.7 becquerel, and you can see it's about the 25th they switched back on. Santa Maria, Romania, we've got T beta becquerels per meter cubed, and that actually says 150 becquerels per meter cubed. As we move across, just under 150 becquerels per meter cubed in the air. At Satu Mare in Romania, it's pretty high. I think you'll agree. There's your data points, very few of them, and you know they are validated, oddly enough. Just popping over the border. Let's go Poland. We're getting 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, a little peak above there, maybe getting to 0.45, a little slide down, just things going on. I was going to sort of snip around some other borders there, Slovenia, Brinja, and once again got to switch off just on the 29th there. Maybe back on now. I'm running this a bit late. The Netherlands, I just thought I'd show you that little peak in there, and that's us coming up to 0.3. It seems to be about 0.1 generally, but you had the 0.3 on the 15th or just after, and 29th things happening, and it's being picked up in the Netherlands. Hang on. And just gone to Zakopane in Poland, just to show a little rise there, up to about 2.7 becquerels per meter cubed of T alpha. We're still with T alpha here in Lesko, Poland, and we're sort of going up to 0.6, a strong 0.6 becquerel per meter cubed. Went over to RM22 EBC just to see what was going on there, and we got stuff peaking up to 21 becquerels per meter cubed. In recent days, I would say probably above 10 becquerel for sure. I think you can see that, I hope. But that's quite interesting. And RM22 EEC. Stick with RM22 EEC, Croatia. And at the start of the month, you know, it got to above 10 becquerel, and towards the end of the month, we're getting to the same level again. So that's looking quite a bit of a jump there. Something's happened recently, drastic, different. You can see everything there's been one there as well. But that's what's happening. That's Batina, Croatia, and RM222 EEC. We went to the Croatia station for RM22 EEC. We were looking, and we found a few days ago a little peak there to about 0.8 becquerel per meter cubed, and that's that. Once again, Batina, Croatia, RM220. I think I just showed you that one, but just popping over to Drovna, Slovenia, iodine 131. Not measuring anymore now, as you can see. Still not measuring. Brinja, Slovenia, iodine 131. This is a lovely pattern we have here, and obviously didn't get the 30th peak yet. Maybe they'll fill it in later. I'm just going to stick polyline on here just to, so you can see where the missings are. But this is the pattern in all its glory, going up to just under probably about 2.2 becquerels at the highest there. But you wonder what happens with the times when things aren't going on. Let's just see what's going on there with the data points again. Not too sure about that, but it's nice. Brinja, Slovenia, iodine 131. Popped over to Depache, Luxembourg for a bit of T gamma. That's going at 200. Shooting up there to about 240 nearly. I don't know where it is now. You can always check. Depache, Luxembourg. T gamma. There's the dates. I'll put this one in, T gamma, because it's in Africa. See if you can find it on your adept. A little mission for you if you want. There is 2 in that part of Africa. Well, there you go, give you something to do. And it's only T gamma though. But quite nice of the French to expand. Here's the other one. You can Google the name. Pamadzi Mayot. Little break there, quite interesting. Just after January the 8th, January the 10th, around there. But very steady otherwise. And I went to Fungal, Portugal quickly with a bit of T gamma, only because massive break, 27th, 29th, and another little break on the 30th. Just let you know that one. And Ponta del Portugal, similar break patterns there too. And I think that's about it. Thank you very much.